Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to BJ Arts. Today is 12th day of our watercolor challenge of the watercolor month. So இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா we are going to draw another popsicle with a kind of 3D effect. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to use the same brush which I was using. I'm going to use just two brushes here. One is this which is of 0 size, and this is from Dom's, which is of a pinpoint. Okay, this is I'll be using for detailing, and the color that I'm going to use is the crimson red, and shadows I'm going to use the blue color. Okay, let's get started. We are going to make a light color of the crimson red. Just marking the outlines. This is going to be the bottom one. Okay, we are going to add shades and so on. So let's fill this with the, but we are going to do again the wet on wet. So fill it again with water. And we are going to give the base layer as very light as we have given at the bottom. Just taking it here. I don't want to see the lines. We have given it a little bit of dark, but anyhow when merging it will go off. Okay, I'm just blending it. Okay, need to have a tissue nearby because we are going to use the damping method. And here I need some lighter value at the bottom. Okay, okay, now we are going to add the darker value. Okay, we are going to make two shapes as we did for the other one. And we can use the other brush so that we have control on the lines. Let it dry for a while so that we will get a exact finishing thing. Okay, it's kind of dry now, just using it to make lines. Okay, and I'm going to add layers here now, just making it some more extra because the length aside is I'm going to add some more brighter values at the top, and for that you can use the spray bottle and spray it at the top so that we get an effect. Okay, just spray it like that, so you get a darker value here and there. And if you feel that it is going out of the lines, you can just wipe the water which is at the outside that we have sprayed. Okay, so that you will have a better control on that. And here's something like this without to get some texture. then just tap it. Okay, and apply some more darker value. Okay, if you feel that it's not, then you can just add some water alone. Don't add the colors after this. Okay, just make it like this. And here you need to have the same kind of depth here. And apply water here for this lines alone, because we are going to work on that. Okay, bring this line till the bottom. Okay, add the darker values here and there just to get an effects. Okay, and add more color here. We are going to use the layering texture, so here I am just going to add some more darker value. Just work like an texture alone, okay, which will give a nice look. And here this is okay, and I'm adding some more darker value. And more darker value to the sides to get an depth. And now we are going to blend the thing, and use the same pen brush and just blend it like this, so that the effects, do it up and down so that it gets blend. Okay, then bring that color here. It should have a bleeding effect, so add water and then just do it like this. Wash your brush, because we are not adding paint, we are just adding water to blend it. Okay, just bring this one down gradually, it should fade. Okay, likewise do the same thing here. And if you want some more texture, you can add water at the top. Okay, and use the tissue like this, and then just tap it. Okay, just tap it, you will get some white finishing colors there like this. Then since it is wet, add a darker value of the crimson lake once again, just here and there. Okay, so that you will get a nice texture. Okay, just add it some more darker value kind of thing, and add the texture once again. Okay, now we are going to work on this right side. Add the water. Use the light zero pinpoint brush. Again using like this, get that bleeding effect. Okay, and top I'm going to add more colors as we did here, and just wash a brush and then bring this one down. Just blend this lines here. It shouldn't look like a line, so I'm just blending it with this color. Okay, yeah, that is done. Same ways we are going to add the tapping method here and there to just get that feel of ice cream texture. When you're working, the watercolors takes time to get that effect. Okay, so you need to be patient to see the outcome.
If you can dream it, we help you draw it, we help you create it, for little hands and big hearts. Soft colors.
Okay, you can when it is getting finished, you can see the structure that is getting up. We are going to add one more layer at the top, just a detailing work that we are going to do. Okay, so we'll wait for that to dry, and meanwhile we can work on the shadows. I'm just going to use the light color blue. Okay, before that let us finish adding the stick at the bottom. You can add water and then do it like this, so that you will get a lighter value of the stick.
We help you draw it, we help you create
Add some water and we will do the tamping method and take some of that from there. Okay. Okay, let it dry for a while, and meanwhile we will add the blue for texture, means the shadows. If you want, we can have use the white color to have some more effect at the top to get a slide that radiant ice look. Just add it like this, just using the white color, okay, to get that effect. Okay, for that it should be dry, because it's a kind of a layering that we are doing at the top. If it is not dry, it will merge with the previous color. So add like this here and there. So let it dry for some time, because the other one needs to get assembled. Okay, and we are going to just play with the color once again, since I'm using the other brush, kind of getting the outer layer with some, like the ice cream is kind of the blast effect, so to say. Okay, it's not necessary, however you want, you can have it blended and then take it further. Okay, just apply some water.
If you can dream it, we help you draw it. We help you create colors to life. Dream, draw, create it.
And now we are going to add the darker shade at the bottom to get that shadow effect. Use the water, wash the brush and use the water to blend it. Hope you are liking this video. Okay, so we'll add some more blue texture here and there. Just adding few more drops here and there to get some natural effect. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle it here and there. Okay, let's add more depth to our painting. So I'm just going to use the concentrate once again, adding depth to this area. This is a kind of a line. Okay, I'm going to add same kind of texture here. Just a scribbling effect from top to bottom. Okay, here some darker portion. Same, we have some darker portion this side. Hope you like this video. Means wait for a while to get it right so that you will get much more effect on this. Okay, let's meet on our next video tomorrow. And if you're not subscribed this channel, please go ahead and subscribe and watch it for more videos to come. Thank you. Bye bye.